Soothes Coughs, a 2007 study from Penn State College of Medicine that involved 139 children, found that buckwheat honey outperformed the cough suppressant dextromethorphan DM in calming time coughs in children and improving their sleep. Another study published in Pediatrics included 270 children aged 1 to 5 with nighttime cough due to simple colds. In this study, the children who received 2 teaspoons of honey 30 minutes before bed coughed less frequently, less severely, and were less likely to lose sleep due to the cough when compared to those who didn't get honey. For more ideas on fighting coughs, see 10 natural cough remedies.